igama uMathula wakwaDlamini, Sport Art and Recreational Coordinator we-KZN Society for the Blind. Kahle about this tournament, it's a first time ever tournament la eMzansi yama ladies. So babeqala ukuhlangana, so iqale izolo. So they played ama games out too yesterday, and then awine ama ladies ala iprovince KwaZulu-Natal ama Hollywood Blind Dolphins party. Istandard uyasibona ukuthi sinyukile because ama scores asekuseni nawantambama agcine ngasafana ukhombisa ukuthi there was improvement ekhona in between ama teams o2. So manje ekuseni kusay game yokuqala la kusa better ama Dolphins, and then inyathi iyafil. Njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi icricket nje yona kubantu kuthina nje emnyama ayijwayelekile, kodwa ke futhi blind cricket babo wesikakhulu, kodwa ngenxa yokuziphusha thina as ama organization ngokubambisana ne-KZN Association for Blind Cricket kuyibona aba responsible la i-province for blind cricket, then thina nathi as KwaZulu-Natal Association for the Blind esiyi responsible for abantu abangaboni within i-province ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi nathi sibe ingxenye, and then sikwazi ukuthi sibheke lama talent lapha ngaphandle ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuthi bathole ithuba lokuthi baphume emakhaya, ngoba inhloso enkulu ile ukuthi abantu abangaboni bangavaleleke ezindlini, but bathole italent, baveze italent bese bathole i-exposure. But ke sitholela i-support from the Department of Sport kwi-province namanye ama-district njengaseHerigwala abakwazile ukuthi basuse abadlali babo from komzimkhulu state babalethe la. So into esilekelela kakhulu iwona ama-sponsors, and iwona esingadinga kakhulu ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi ama-tournament afana nalawe aba yinto ejwayelekayo.
Igama uNdumiso Nyawose, ngumongameli we-KZN Association for Blind Cricket. Kwa-KZN Association for Blind Cricket into esiyenzayo sinakekela zonke izidingo ze-cricket yabantu abangaboni. So nje i-cricket usually le mdlalo lo abantu abawazi ojwayelekile, kodwa uhluke ngokuthi u-adaptive for abantu abangaboni ke wona. So sinakekela nje zonke izidingo kusukela kuwo wonke ama districts across iKZN. Into yokuqala nje ibhola esidlala ngalo. Ibhola elimhlophe liqinile, uplastic oqinile, of which ke libuye likhale njenge-toys. So kumele lihambe ibhola liyazwakala. So for ngisho umuntu ongaboni inhlobo still uyakwazi ukupick up ukuthi lingakephi. Abadlali ku-11 njenge-cricket lejwayelekile bawu-11 futhi, kodwa umehluko abawu-4 minimum kumele kube abantu abangaboni inhlobo, kuthiwa ama-B1 players ke lapho. Bese ke kuba khona laba ababona kancane, so ngathi 10 to 15% of isight yomuntu obona kahle. Udinga minimum 3 ke ama-B2 ke lawo. Bese ke category yokugcina kukhona ama-B3 players ababona kangconywana nalaba abangama-B2. Ama-B3 sesingathi mhlambe abantu abanesight la ko 30% of umuntu obona kahle. Ngale kwalokho nje most yemthetho cishe ifane nje njenge-cricket lejwayelekile. Omunye umehluko mhlawumbe omkhulu ke sengaba ukuthi nokuthi abantu babhole overarm badedela ezansi ke bathi underarm, so that ibhola lingagcini selibamba kakhulu lize lishaya umuntu ebusweni, ngoba obviously umdlalo wabantu abangaboni. Into esihlelayo nje ukuthi sigcine sesiba fully active kuwo wonke ama-district awalana e-KZN, and through that at the same time sikwazi ukuba nje nezinga lokuperforma nokudlala in every district, where umuntu ongaselectwa for i-KZN provincial team hayi ngafana nokuthi lo muntu automatically angangena kwi-national team, ngoba siyi-KZN already yithi sinama-member amaningi ku-national team for the past 3 years through ama-performances ethu nokuba ama-national champions 2 years back. So nje sifisa ukuthi sikhuphuka more and more, standard sibe balanced yonke indawo across i-province.
Okay, kama nguNomathemba Ngcobo from Pietermaritzburg, captain of Dolphins ladies.
Igama lami uBruce wakamvundla, I-team engisuka kuyona ngisuka kuma Scorpions Blind Cricket Club.
Yeah, bakhona aba-totally blind kwi-cricket. Engingakusho bengi-indoors kakhulu because bengikusaba ukuba phakathi kwabantu ngenxa yokuthi ngiyasaba ukuhamba phambi kwabo ngenxa yesimo sami ngiqhuzulwa ubala ngokuthi isayithe yami incane. But ukuba kwi-blind cricket kungikhulisile ukuthi no, fanele ngihlezi ngine-confident. Akumina ngedwa kule simo sibaningi khona abawesi kunami. Kungifundise kakhulu, so umuntu ohleli ongayidlala icricket enesifiso sokwenza isport ebe blind akaphuma ahamba yodlala angazithole indoors because uba ne-stress kakhulu, kanti uma unesport uyakwazi ukuthi ukhululeke nje ube right.
Ngiphinde ngibe yi-assistant coach ye-KZN Dolphins. Imidlalo ke selokhu iqalile le tournament. Okwamanje ibonakala ihamba kahle kakhulu. Futhi ne-team yethu nokho ibonakala iyimisele ngoba nama-win siyabona khona amahle kakhulu. Nanendlela nje ke eku-organize-ke ngakhona. Ku-organize-ke ngendlela e-right kakhulu. Kuze kube manje awekho ama-challenges atheni ebekade sisahlangabezane nawo. Yonke into isi-right. Nalo mdlalo wanamhlanje nangendlela esiwubona usahamba ngayo. Usahamba ngendlela enhle kakhulu nangendlela ebesiplane ngayo as ama-coaches.
Yes, bakhona ngasekhaya abantu kukuthi I think basadinga ukuthi kube khona umuntu ozophinda lokho ba-motivate because nami ngaphuza ukuyi-understanda lento ukuthi ngingaba ne-sport kuyisimo engikusona.
Yabona nje for le yama-ladies sifuna ukuyibona sesiya national team because akabikho national team yama-ladies, but siyafisa ukuthi le South Africa nayo ibe khona national team yama-ladies njenga nabafana because abafana ikhona national team ye-blind cricket yabafana. So nala kumantombazana sifuna ukuthi kube kanjalo futhi, kodwa kokuqala ukuthi onke ama-province abe nawo ama-clubs ama-ladies. Inhloso nje enkulu yethu.